So we continue our journey through the exhibition, and I'm at the stall of Acupack and with Mr. Shehol Sheth, who's the director and founding director of the company. Mr. Sheth, pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. How's it going so far?
Very nice.
Yeah.
The show is very good, and we have always been participating in this show, but this year it has been much bigger, as expected. And with MMI, the association is doing very well from IPMA's side.
Right.
All of us as machine manufacturers are displaying our latest equipments, and of course, for sure, we can't now only tell this as the biggest show in Hyderabad. We can say this is one of the best shows in India.
I agree with you, yes.
The idea is we are able to showcase the machines not only to the top management of the company, but also to the tier 3, tier 4 people in the pharmaceutical industry. They can see the machines, they can see the equipments.
Right.
And this is making a lot of sense, because many a times these are the users.
Yeah.
They are not able to see the machines if the shows are happening in maybe a city like Mumbai or Delhi.
Right.
So for sure, Southern India, entire lot of people from the plants are visiting the stall. We also got, interestingly, some buyers from abroad.
Oh, that's nice.
That was not expected, but through the marketing efforts of MMI and all of us together, we have been able to invite them.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at packed 3 days, counting today as the first day.
Yes.
For the show.
Yeah. So let's talk about a little bit about your company, Acupack.
Sure.
What is it that you do, and why is it that you do what you do?
So we in Acupack started in 2001.
Okay.
We are a team of around 400 people, and we basically are into manufacturing of packaging machines.
Okay.
That is blister packing and cartoning machines, and we also manufacture change parts for more than 100 plus machines. Acupack is having business in India plus more than 30 countries worldwide.
Right.
We have a sales and design office in Germany.
Okay.
And so all these equipments mainly are designed in Europe, patented by us, and then we manufacture them in India.
Okay, so the design, as you said, the patent belongs to you.
Yes.
So therefore, it is an Indian.
Absolutely.
India going out to the world, so
Absolutely.
to speak.
So this is something which we started in 2015.
Yeah.
Acupack is one of the first companies to go to design your machines in Europe, collaborate with designers over there, and then get that advantage of low manufacturing costs in India under Make in India campaign, and manufacture the machines of the equivalent or better quality what Europeans, people normally expect from European machines. We are focusing on OEE as an feature, and the idea is to increase the output, or maybe we can say better ROI for the customers.
Right. Okay. Where's your factory based in?
So we are based out of Navi Mumbai. We have a state of the art facility.
Yeah.
It's spread across 100,000 square feet.
That's
and
large.
It's big factory, and it's made very it's a state of the art facility. The idea is a customer should get the same experience what they are expecting from a European company.
Right. Yeah.
And when they buy a machine which is much more cost effective, the final product cost also becomes cost effective, and that's what our country is about.
Right. Yeah.
So not only in India, but we are exporting these machines in Europe back also, and in first world countries we have installation in US, we have installation in UK, CIS countries, Middle East. By and large, with this effort of ours, we have been able to explain to the world that yes, India can develop a machine and sell it to the world.
Right. Okay.
That's what we have been establishing.
I remember you mentioning a little earlier that you worked under the Make in India initiative. How did that work? How did you get involved in that?
So the company was already existing.
Right. Yes.
So we have not registered under Make in India campaign.
Okay.
But it's all about the initiative what our Prime Minister has taken.
Right.
That why can't we manufacture more and more things in India?
Yes.
And sell it to the world.
Yeah.
Rather than be depending on imports of the machines.
Right.
So before we started manufacturing these machines, there was a huge trend of importing machines from Europe or Korea into India at higher costs.
Yes.
And this eventually for sure will go to the end product cost.
Of course.
So by getting the same design in India and developing the machines in India, you are able to pass on the benefit to the customer.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Well, I've learned a lot about your business. Thank you.
Pleasure meeting you.
Really.
Pleasure.
And I appreciate your time, and I thank you for that.
Most welcome.